Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Today I am going to explore another scent from Swiss Arabian. I hope you guys are all okay and enjoying some new perfumes this year 2023. So this is Attar oil from Swiss Arabian that is called Shaza, but they write it like Shadha, Shadha. And I think it is again for women because it means Shaza means a perfumed woman or aroma. Okay, so this is I would say that this is meant for females. So let's try to apply this oil and see how it actually evolves. So I am going to apply it over here because I have used all the space on my hand. So let's try to apply it over here. These are the samples bottles I got like 1 or 2 years ago, and I had never this is really nice. This is musky, woodiness, oud is there, very woody. I really liked it starts, how it starts. If you are a Middle Eastern or a woman from Arab countries, this is how you should smell. Very nice interpretation of actual animalic oud, that is Hindi oud. This is really nicely done. Woody, sweet, light, musky, animalic, a bit light bit of skank, very light. This is really nice. I think today whatever I have reviewed, Shadha is one of the lovely oils for women. I think a men can also wear this. This is really nicely done, nicely blended. I'm not getting a chemical vibe from here, although I think this has been blended really well. This is not white oud kind of a smell. It is more of damp, oudi, Hindi oud kind of woodiness in here. Now it has more sweetness. Maybe it's patchouli somewhere in there. Yes. Patchouli has a herbal green kind of vibe to it. So I would describe it as light green. Light means very little green, more brown. So it is like light, less green, more brown, woody kind of perfume oil that is sweet, not dry. It is wet or damp kind of sweetness. Very nicely done. So this is a very nice oil that describe what an Arab scent should be or Middle Eastern scent should be. This is a light herbal kind of green with some woodiness, some oud and some sweetness in the background. Maybe some patchouli is there. That is what I am detecting. Really nicely done oil from Swiss Arabian Shadha or Shaza. So if you are a woman and or if you are you would like to test some of the Middle Eastern oils, I think you should start with this one, Shaza from Swiss Arabian. So if you are interested in woody kind of oudi kind of oils, perfume oils, although I think it doesn't have any pure oud oil, but it is a very nice interpretation of Hindi oud. Okay, so that is my thoughts about Shadha or Shaza from Swiss Arabian. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video, and put your comments in the comment section below. I really love or enjoy reading them. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.